Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows 11 24H2 update failed to install. So these errors can stop or roll back the installation process and display a message saying that Windows updates failed and the possible reasons why 24H2 would not install on your device, that drivers and compatibility, disk space, system file corruptions, or conflicts from other applications. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings. And i-click mo lang dito yung open. And once na-open mo na tong troubleshoots, under dito sa options ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters. So i-click mo lang yan. And under dito sa most frequent, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Windows Update. At dito lang sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-tap tong run. And wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. And once na-complete na dito sa troubleshooting has completed, and then close lang natin yan. And the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to check relevant services. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. Pagsabayin mo lang yan. So, once na-open mo na tong run, so dito lang sa box ay kailangan lang i-enter dito yung command keyword na services.msc. So, just type this command keyword services.msc. That is one word, and itap mo lang dito yung OK. And once na-open mo na rin dito sa services at dito lang sa services local, and then next step ay kailangan lang i-locate dito yung Windows Update. So, kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down and then hanapin natin dito yung Windows Update. So, once na-locate mo na yung Windows Update, so kailangan natin itong restart. So, select and right-click. And then, select mo lang dito yung restart and wait natin ma-complete yung restarting. Ayan. So, once complete na yung restart, so same dito sa Windows Update. So, select and double-click. And dito lang sa general properties at dito lang sa startup type. So, i-select mo lang dito yung automatic and i-click apply. And i-click mo lang dito yung OK. And then next step, so repeat the process with the following keyword. Ang next keyword ay yung background intelligence transfer service. So, scroll up. And then ilocate mo lang dito yung background intelligence transfer service. So, select and right click. And then select mo lang dito yung restart. And then kapag na-restart mo na siya and same, select and double-click. At dito lang sa general properties, so dito lang sa startup type. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan and select dito yung automatic. And then click mo lang dito yung apply and i-click mo lang dito yung OK. And the next keyword ay yung cryptographics. So i-select mo lang dito yung cryptographic service. Once na-locate mo na yan, so same, so select and right-click. And then select mo lang dito yung restart and wait natin na ma-complete yung restart. And then, double-click mo lang siya. And dito lang sa general properties, so dito sa startup type, so select mo lang dito yung automatic. And then, dito sa baba, click apply and i-click mo lang dito yung OK. And the last keyword ay yung Windows installer. So, scroll down ulit at ilocate natin dito yung Windows installer. And once na-locate mo na yung Windows installer, so same, sa select and right-click. And select mo lang dito yung restart and then next step, so double-click mo lang siya. At dito lang sa general properties, dito lang sa startup type, so select mo lang dito yung automatic. And i-click mo lang dito yung apply and i-click mo lang dito yung OK. So after dito sa services, and then dito lang sa start menu and kailangan mo lang mag-restart, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows 11 24H2 update failed to install. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.